Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically just import sets or like houses that are already built in Heartopia to your blueprint so you don't have to build it from scratch. So select sets, and here you'll see I don't have this one. I think it's still like locked and stuff. But this one, like, I have one of each item. You'll see it in the question mark what you'll need to build these sets. So let's do this one. I don't think I even have that. I'm not sure, but you're just going to press place anywhere you want on your blueprint, and you don't really have to build it from scratch. I think you'll see it in cost, like what you have and what you don't. Yeah, I don't have those, but yeah, you can see these sets that they have here. Just make sure you have the items. I think I'm able to do this one. I think you're also able to do this one because you'll craft the items anyways. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!